Got our power button, coil going up there. So the charger plugs in over here. Which also looks like it has some kind of diagnostic port. Looks like a 6-pin, 5-pin, 7-pin type of almost like a microphone cable or something. A lot of wiring in this thing. GRM 85 degrees Celsius. Alright, well, that's the Romba robot. This wall unit has already come apart. It still powers on via the batteries, but I think we'll pull this apart while we're diagnosing robotic hindrances. Maybe we can recycle these parts. You know, eventually, but there's one of the wall units that restricts movement of the robot. And now that's powered on, but and we'll take a look in this charging unit while we're at it. Four screws in the back of this. I only assume that it'll come apart. This is the power station that it automatically, whether it's a wireless signal, I don't know how exactly it works. It looks like these are little optical sensors that line up when the robot's on flat ground. Possibly it communicates optically using lasers or some kind of light signal. Some rubber feet in this. This one screw seems to be giving me some difficulty. I don't know if we can get it with a smaller. It's spinning. I can see it spinning in there. Looks like we gotta take this bottom apart. I think it's under these rubber feet. Yeah, that's where we're at. Gotta take these two out. Oh, there goes that one. They're glued in there. Screws under the rubber feet. There we go. And there's a look in there at that circuitry. Again, I think this is some kind of optical relay, and we'll get some good pictures of that. unable to assess. Now we have the right to work or right to repair. I'm in a little over my head with a robot. I work on automobiles that don't have robotic features. In here would be the issue. It might just be this. I might be able to replace this plug. And I see in there a circuit board 74326 0095 or something. Might be able to just replace this. Yeah, it's pulling right out there. So this might be able to be replaced. 03574328035 005. But this is all hot glued in here. I can pull those plugs out. My concern is so that it won't charge when I plug directly into that, but it's also not charging on these two contacts here, which leads me to believe it's some kind of other internal circuitry that's leading to this. But thanks for joining me on GoPro Handyman. You know, the robot got struck by lightning, power surge, fried it. I probably should have never activated a robot to clean my house.